Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. I am so excited to show you this video doing a rainbow Christmas. This is so simple. I don't know who came up with this technique. If I came up with it, I'm totally taking credit for it. We are doing rainbow on the woodland festivities. So you're gonna need, of course, the woodland festivities. This is episode 3 of the series. For the sentiment, we are going to be using the October 2017 Kit of the Month called Conspiracy of Love. We're using the Merry Christmas, along with gold embossing powder, embossing pad, your tree, a couple colors of white cardstock, and watercolors. You want thick ones, so let's get started. We are going to begin by misting over the colors of watercolor we're going to use and adding a super heavy layer of watercolor on the actual tree. You want to clean your brush in between. Try not to get too much water or it will run. And layer your rainbow on the stamp directly. The beauty of this is it's dry, so you can spritz it. Spritz it and stamp it. I stamped the tree 2 other times on 2 pieces of cardstock. So we're gonna make a ton of cards with this. It makes it really easy, really pretty. Next, we're going to heat emboss the sentiment in gold embossing powder. We're going to place some 2-layer foam adhesive on the back of the card panel and then layer it over your card base. And this makes it a really nice white matte because it's super colorful. To top it off, I'm going to add a couple gold sequins, and these are just the flat confetti ones, and keep it really simple. I made 2 other cards with the other 2 trees that I stamped, but you could see those on the side. This was so fun, so easy, super great technique to make a ton of Christmas cards. And you can see we just kind of put them together and they look great. This is episode 3. Come back next Tuesday for the last episode using woodland festivities. Thanks.